Learn how to set up the adivaha WordPress plugin to streamline your travel lead management. This guide covers installation, activation, configuration, and embedding the plugin on your website for seamless customer interaction. Begin by navigating to your WordPress dashboard and selecting the option to add a new plugin to your site. Access the plugin search feature to find new plugins available for installation. Initiate the installation process for the desired plugin by selecting the Install option. Activate the plugin immediately after installation to enable its features on your website. Open the plugin's dedicated settings page to configure its options and features. Locate the contact information provided to obtain your unique partner ID (PID) via WhatsApp during specified hours. Use the subsequent link to proceed with the partner ID acquisition process. Submit the partner ID by clicking the Connect button to link your account. Confirm the connection by acknowledging the confirmation prompt that appears. Return to the main plugins list to verify the status of your installed plugins. Select the option to view detailed information about the installed plugin. Identify the shortcode provided by the plugin for embedding its features into your site. Navigate to the Pages section of your WordPress dashboard to manage your site's. Choose the home page or the page where you want to display the plugin's functionality. Paste the shortcode into the content area of the selected page to embed the plugin. Save the changes made to the page to apply the new content and plugin features. Use the provided link to preview the page and ensure the plugin is displaying correctly. Test the search or input functionality of the plugin on the live page to confirm proper operation. This guide walked you through installing, activating, and configuring the adivaha WordPress plugin, obtaining your partner ID, embedding the plugin shortcode on your site, and verifying its functionality to enhance your customer lead management.